Andhra Premier League.
Hey, hey, NPL!
A nice start here for Rashid, clearly. Mallikarjuna stepping out, a hoik. Ball is up in the air and covers, pouches it. Good take, never easy to come under the white new ball. In lights, Karan the fielder there.
Many things going against the fielder in this catch, but he's done well. Karan Shinde, firstly he had to backpedal, then the lights as well. But how beautifully he held on to that. Went the reverse. This is high and handsome as well. That's a powerful strike, and that's a GMR maximum. Goes the distance over long off. What a way to get off the mark.
Better of him here. Just getting that outside edge. Once again, showing his worth with the ball. No slip in place, and Rashid will get his first boundary. Care by Hanuma Vihari. Clean bowled him. Hanuma Vihari once again shining in match number 19. He's enjoying this role of a new ball bowler.
As well, getting everything right, bringing himself on, and he just breaches the defense. And nothing short, playing away from the body. Venu just throwing it away. The captain Hanuma Vihari. He's miscued this one. This should be wicket number 3. Straightforward catch, and that's been pouched as well. Very ordinary cricket here by the Royals of Rayalaseema. They're throwing it away.
Last evening's game as well. Couldn't really get going there. Here as well, a nothing shot by Dhruva. Out probably this power play, but not such kind of freebies. Half tracker and nicely come into position by Sheikh Rashid.
On 2 occasions and caressed that on the offside. Much better here from M. Harsha. And a boundary that's much needed in the power play. Oh, there was spin again. Spin on offer here. The fielder just lets it go. This is lousy fielding. Not really good. And I'm sure the fielder Hanuma Vihari.
Finally getting one in the center of the bat by M. Harsha. A GMR sixer. And what a way to welcome my partner.
Thank you so much, Paul. Yes, what a strike there. Bowling that shot, he just come in and is greeted by this 6 here. B winning. Lovely shot as well. Rocking back. Just getting the treatment.
Alicia trying to go over the top. Not really desired a connection, but the result he'll be happy. End of the over, 65 for 3. Nicely cut there. Nice noise on that crisp sound from the blade of M. Harsha. Getting much needed bound. Set. Once again opting for that line, and once again the same result. Backspin and fire behind that shot. Boy here, the Andhra Cricket Association. Excellent shot here. Smack center of the bat. And his first sixer. Changing gears.
Lovely shot as well. Just down on his knees there. Just getting the elevation that he wanted. Lovely shot there. Beautifully played. Always, you mentioned about the...
So important for the Royals of Rayalaseema that this partnership continues. But probably we have a wicket there. He doesn't even refer. And he's gutted there, Rashid, because he's lost out.
Got back. Yeah, cutting that one. He was on the back foot and there was only one man running. And that's the reason he had to go back running as well into the dressing room. Yeah, good throw coming in. One ball throw and taking the... Oh, lovely shot. What a shot that one. Inside out, over the cover region. And that's the class of this man.
Well, how impressive has Sheikh Rashid been? He'll really be impressed with that shot. Back against the wall. Won the match. Prime form, prime rhythm. Once again, an excellent shot by the skipper of Royals of Rayalaseema. He's really checked in this evening.
Season as well in the APL. And this is going to be the 50 for him. Ran the first one hard. The third 50 for him. And he's come good once again in this crunch game. 50 of 45 for Sheikh Rashid.
Yeah, his third 50 of this edition. And he'll probably be the most pleased with this effort. 17 for 3. A must-win game. Such was the situation.
56 runs. They accelerated out. Another boundary to Sheikh Rashid. Drifted down the leg. Ayappa just used the pace of the ball. Pass 9 out of 10. He'll struggle. Look at that. It was in the slot. And for a GMR maximum. Smashed over the bowler's head for a GMR maximum. Wonderful, wonderful. Trying to reverse sweep. See, this shows that he's struggling. He's struggling with the bat. You know, when you're trying a thing out of the ordinary, they have taken a review. They have taken a review. It will be a near thing.
Some part of the forearm involved. No evidence. They've not seen a spike in that.
Remember when, look at that, it pitched in line and he's a goner. He is a goner. Vinay picks up wicket in his third over.
And he's here. That's because Payal Avinash played a very poor ordinary shot. He was trapped in front on review. That was impact in line, hitting the wicket. Coming back live. That's been smartly done by Rashid. He had to wait on this one. More of a paddle punch behind the wicket. And what a way. He's got plenty of bat on this one. He smeared that over mid-wicket. And that's a fine hit. And he's now the top run getter in the GMR Andhra Premier League with that mighty six, Sheikh Rashid.
It was a half tracker. Off the front foot, smashed over square leg. Let the bat do the talking. Look at that. Oh, what a ball. What a shot by Sheikh Rashid. He is firing on all guns.
Reddy. This one's high, handsome, into the crowd. Sheikh Rashid into the 90s. He's putting on a show and the 150 comes up for the Royals of Rayalaseema.
It was a half tracker, waiting for it to be smashed. It was a freebie as far as I'm concerned. Ayappa, he changed the pace, slow bouncer, but he was waiting for it. He was ready for it. And look at it for him.
It's down the ground. That'll go towards long on. They'll come back for the second. Rashid, they'll have to run quickly. Has he made it? That will be referred upstairs. He was slow to get off the blocks, and I reckon he's been struggling over here. But a very fine innings here by the captain to take his team.
He has played, and probably he's in. The dive just might have saved him. His body language was saying, but it seems to be that he is absolutely 98 runs he scored, too short of his 100. Well-deserved 100, but it was not to be. But still, he has taken his team to 96 of 62 deliveries and taken his team to 161 for 5. 96 to Sheikh Rashid. Manoj Kumar out without troubling the scorer. Venu out for 6. Dhruv Kumar ready for 3. Then Harsha.
Vihari is off the mark straight away. As I mentioned, just see swing of the bat there and it's gone the distance. GMR 6 coming from the blade of Praneeth, off in style.
He needed a flick of the wrist and nicely flicked, waiting for it onto his pad. Nice and easy.
Lovely shot. That's a really high quality shot from a high quality batter, Hanuma Vihari. On his toes there, keeping it down.
Oh, this goes high up. There is a fielder coming underneath it. And the fielder takes a very good catch. This is very good from Dheeraj Reddy, the impact player who's come into the game.
One didn't get the connection right. Yeah, there was an airy-fairy shot as well, went high up in the air. And Dheeraj, a very good catch under lights. Those catches aren't easy. And that's an important wicket as well. That's in the air, but just eluding the fielder at point. Just diving there. That's going to be a boundary. The first boundary for SV Rahul. A bit lucky. Pulls it. He's a man in the deep, but that's going to be a 4. Bowling 2 short on that occasion. The bowler S. Ashish. And that was really nasty.
Swing and a miss, outside edge. And second wicket down now for the capital Amravati Royals. And what a welcome to my co-commentator, Ashok Malhotra.
Which Girinath dropped. He went for a hoik over middle, got an outside edge, and the wicket keeper didn't make any.
Need to farm the strike and now and then take the boundary on. An excellent shot by the experienced Vihari, the Royals. Dhruva, now the new bowler, and he's been greeted with a 4.
You can't give a ball short and wide. Climb up the ladder.
And nicely creamed that. A half tracker. Nicely put away by the skipper of the Amravati Royals.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It is a GMR 6. He is dealing in boundaries. It was tossed up delivery, smashed over the bowler long on for a GMR maximum.
Another half tracker, another pump through the mid wicket. 4 to end the over. 16 of it. It'll be 74 for 2.
Oh, nicely played for boundary. He's a good player, Karan Shinde. If you give him room, he'll make you pay. Oh, outside edge, outside edge. This is the best shot in our T20 cricket. You know, you aiming wherever it is.
Cream that over mid wicket. A 6 to end the over. It'll be 14 of it. 95 for 2.
Once again, bowling shot. That's up in the air. A fielder coming underneath. And he, misses that one. Oh dear, oh dear. Sathwik was the fielder. What has he done there?
And that sums up the campaign for the Royals of Rayalaseema this season in the GMR APL Season 4. Had to come around it, had enough time to get underneath it, and Saket Ram says, what else can I do? I create the opportunity.
Oh, that's in the air, leading edge. That should be taken. Will it be taken? Oh, no. Missing another one. This time it's the bowler himself. Once again, ample time there. Himself calling. Oh, going the Australian way. And misses that one. Just not able to latch on.
The story of the Royals of Rayalaseema, well documented in the middle. Picked away, pulled, goes the distance. This is rubbing salt on the wounds. And this is getting very difficult now for the Royals of Rayalaseema. 40s, and they're making it count in some style.
Yeah, bowling 2 short on that occasion and put away very nicely. That's in the air as well. The fielder, this time he pouches. Finally, he's taken a catch.
More than elation, it was relief. That's how it's been for them. Ashish with a very fine catch, the ball dipping on him, and look at that reaction. Very muted celebration. Saket finally
Picked up really nicely. And that is a GMR 6 of the match. They're now going to finish this as fast as possible.
Another ordinary bit here from Girinath Reddy. Really can't get my head around that slow one option. They barely need. Royals of Rayalaseema really have been pretty ordinary. Yeah, Sheikh Rashid eluding him. A 6 for Karan. Now it's mere formalities probably remaining in this game.
Yeah, he's picked it up on the half. Really nicely timed as well. Got the elevation nice and quick. And have been able to execute over the captain. And there it is. He gets to his 50. Karan Shinde plays a handful and very important 50-run knock for the Capital Amravati Royals, as they're now chasing only 18 runs from 20 balls, trying to win yet another match and remain unbeaten in the GMR on the Premier League. Yeah, he picks this one up as well, and that will be another 6. So this is getting done quickly. They reached the 150-run mark as well. 315 sixes in the tournament.
Let's try and get a wicket or 2. Creamed over extra cover. Mere formalities really remaining now. Sandeep now celebrating. Another 4 for him.
And there he picks it up. There is a fielder who will look at it and only watch it sail, as that is the winning 6. The winning hit. And the Royals have a royal evening here at the ACA VDCA Stadium in Vizag. They still remain unbeaten in this championship with still one more game to go in the league stage. They beat the opposition and win by 7 wickets and 15 balls remaining for error. This is a nice and winning hit from Yara Sandeep. Picks the ball really nicely, nice and short, and a good cricket. What we get to watch, Hanuma Vihari strengthened the foundation with the 47 of 39. Handy contributions from Praneeth and SV Rahul, and then came a very good.
As the bowling card really sums up the season for the Royals of Rayalaseema. Completely deflated did they look in this effort in match number 19. V. Venu
stuff. Excellent day of cricket all over. Royals of Rayalaseema 161 for 5, and then Kapil Amravati Royals with a final finish